Hello friends, I am Professor Jayashree Kapdi, working at KK Wagh Education Society, KK Wagh Arts, Commerce, Science and Computer Science College, Kaka Saheb Nagar, Ranwad. Today we will discuss about synthesis and applications of agrochemicals. This topic include in TYBSc Industrial Chemistry syllabus. So first chemical is DDT, that is dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. Second is the BHC, that is benzene hexachloride, and third one is the endosulfan. So first of all we will see the synthesis and applications of DDT, that is dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. So how it is synthesized? This DDT is synthesized by exothermic condensation reaction between chlorur and chlorobenzene in presence of sulfuric acid as a catalyst. See the reaction in your screen in which chlorobenzene is react with chlorur in presence of H2SO4 and NaOH as a catalyst, and it is gives DDT, that is dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane is produced. Next one is the properties of DDT. So first property of DDT is it is colorless, crystalline, tasteless and odorless solid which have a melting point 109 degrees Celsius. Second property, it have a hydrophobic in nature, insoluble in water but highly soluble in most of the organic solvent. So examples of these organic solvent are benzene, CCl4 and ethanol. These are the properties of DDT. Next is the applications of DDT. So what are the applications of DDT? First application is it is used as fungicide, herbicide and rodenticide in agriculture chemistry. Second application, it is used to kill the wide range of insect by both contact and ingestion process. That is contact process and ingestion process that are used to kill the wide range of insect. Third application is it is non-toxic to higher animal. These are the applications of DDT. So next point is BHC, that is benzene hexachloride, C6H6Cl6. This is the molecular formula of BHC. So what are the synthesis of BHC? This BHC is prepared by addition of chlorine to benzene under influence of light without any catalyst. That is, chlorine is added into the benzene ring in presence of light without any catalyst is used, then it gives a BHC, that is benzene hexachloride is prepared. Next one is the properties of BHC. So first property is the pure gamma isomer of BHC is known as a lintane. Second, it is white crystalline solid. Third, it causes tanning of the food and has a no odor. And last property is it acts more rapidly than the DDT. These are the most important properties of BHC. Next one is the application of BHC. First application, it is used as a fungicide for seed treatment, especially on wheat to control the fungal diseases. Second application, it is used to control the various harmful insects. These are the most important applications of the BHC. Third chemical is endosulfan. So we will see the synthesis and applications of endosulfan. This endosulfan is prepared by Diels-Alder reaction of hexachloropentadiene, okay, with cis-butene 1,4-diol. That is, this endosulfan is prepared by Diels-Alder reaction takes place between hexachloropentadiene with cis-butene 1,4-diol and subsequent addition of thionyl chloride, that is SOCl2. See the reaction in your screen, in which first of all hexachloropentadiene is react with cis-butene 1,4-diol by using a Diels-Alder reaction. Then it gives a intermediate product. On this intermediate product react with SOCl2, that is thionyl chloride. Then it form a endosulfan. So next is the properties of endosulfan. First property is it is practically insoluble in water and soluble in most of the organic solvent. Okay. Next one is the applications of endosulfan. First application, it is used to control the insect pest, whiteflies and leafhoppers. Okay. Second is it is moderately toxic to honeybees and less toxic to bees. Okay, this is the synthesis and applications of three important agrochemicals. First we will see DDT, second BHC, and third one is the endosulfan. So next point is structure of some important pesticides. Okay, first is the DDT, dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. The molecular formula is C4H8Cl5 and this is the structure of DDT. Second is the BHC, that is benzene hexachloride, C6H6Cl6. This is the molecular formula of BHC, and see the structure of this BHC, benzene ring containing 6 chlorine atom attached to that carbon atom. This is the structure of BHC. Next pesticide is warfarin, C19H6O4. These are the molecular formula of warfarin, and see the structure. Next is the aldrin, C12H8Cl6. This is the molecular formula of aldrin, and see the structure. Next pesticide is endosulfan, C9H6Clc and SO3. This is the molecular formula of endosulfan, and see the structure in your screen. Okay, thank you.